We are going to review top 5 best carbon fiber violin bows. Let's get started. List number 1. FIDDLERMAN full-size carbon fiber violin bow. This bow is handcrafted and uses Siberian horsehair that is unbleached. It offers a great bounce and is a resilient bow. It has an ebony frog that is copper mounted. It offers a great balanced weight that makes it very easy to control. This bow comes highly rated by people that have purchased it, which is always a good sign that a bow is made of good quality. This black FIDDLERMAN carbon fiber violin bow is manufactured to replicate the perfect weight and curve of an expensive parabuku wood bow. If you're spending less than 4 times this amount on a bow, we recommend you go with a FIDDLERMAN carbon fiber bow. Anything short of a quality wood bow will most likely not give you the right weight distribution or curve. Use your own favorite violin rosin. List number 2. 1 set black carbon fiber violin stunning bow 4/4. This bow made the list because it is a quality bow, but more so because it is a really inexpensive bow. You can easily find bows that are similar to this one at a much higher price. It is a really great purchase that comes highly recommended by the people that have purchased it. It is a nice looking bow that uses quality materials where the quality counts, like the natural horsehair and ebony frog. It is a hard value to beat if the budget is tight. High quality and testing is fine. Item 100% like the picture shown. Black carbon stick round shape. Perfect balance, smooth when playing, frog slide, abalone shell inlay. Frog, selected ebony with Parisian eyes. Hair, natural Mongolian horsehair. List number 3. VO Music braided carbon fiber violin bow. This is a full-sized bow that promises parabuku performance. This is a full-sized bow that is crafted of Mongolian horsehair and that offers an ebony frog. The carbon fiber is braided for added durability. It is well balanced and easy to handle. VO has a strong reputation for producing quality instruments and accessories. Top woven carbon fiber and natural Mongolian horsehair, round stick, silver thread winding, ebony frog, well balanced. Weight, 2.16 ounces, length, 29 inches. Master workmanship. 4/4 violin bow. Strong, well balanced. Ebony frog, silver winding, balanced. List number 4. CODABOW PRODIGY carbon fiber 4/4 violin bow. This bow is a little costly, but those that have purchased it have said it is worth the cost. It has all the bells and whistles that you could want in a bow, like a Moroccan leather hand grip, silver metal horsehair, traditional wood plugs and nickel and silver fittings. It is a breathtaking bow that is balanced well and is a real showstopper. The cost is a little steep, but it is a worthy investment. True to its name, the CODABOW PRODIGY carbon fiber 4/4 violin bow delivers a gifted performance. Precision engineered to provide select professional characteristics at a pre-professional price, the CODABOW PRODIGY carbon fiber 4/4 violin bow boasts exceptional performance for exceptional students. List number 5. Glasser X Series carbon fiber X bow. Glasser is a trusted name in bows and other instrument accessories. This bow does not disappoint. It is an excellent choice as a student bow. It is a quality bow that will perform as it should. It offers an ebony frog with foam mother of pearl eyes. It is constructed with genuine horsehair. This is a really good entry-level bow, or a good bow for someone that is trying to get familiar with playing a carbon fiber bow. It is a very inexpensive model which is ideal for beginners. The 2000 by 44 is a Glasser carbon graphite bow made using their patented graphite molding technology for your full-size violin. Bow comes with ebony frog with faux pearl eyes and slides, synthetic grip. Made using patented carbon graphite molding technology.